Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem of the week, focusing on area and similar triangles, perfect for beginners. Let's dive into the problem. We have two squares, ABCD and AEFG, where F lies on DC and H is at the intersection of AD and FG. Given that the areas of AGH and AEFH are 9 and 27 respectively, our challenge is to calculate the area of the Pentagon ABCFE. Your options are A. 33, B. 34, C. 35, and D. 36. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comments. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. First, observe that the area of square AEFG is the sum of the areas of AGH and AEFH, which equals 36. Therefore, the side length of AEFG is 6, meaning AG equals GH equals 6. Now, considering the area of triangle AHE is half of square AEFG, its area is 18. Consequently, the area of triangle HFE is 9, equals to the area of triangle AGH. Thus, GH equals GF and is 3. Applying Pythagoras Theorem to the right angle triangle AGH, we find AH equals 3 square root 5. Additionally, triangles DHF and GHA are similar. Therefore, the ratio DH over GH equals HF over AH, implying DH equals 3 over square root 5. This calculation is crucial to determine the side length of the square ABCD, leading to AD being AH plus HD, or 18 over square root 5. Recalling the similarity between triangles DHF and GHA, and knowing their corresponding side lengths, we can calculate the area of triangles DHF as 9 over 5. Finally, the area of Pentagon ABCFE is 36. Intriguingly, equals to the area of square AEFG. What a beautiful coincidence! With the area being 36, our answer to the problem is D. Thank you for all the responses submitted. Approximately 80% of you arrived at the correct answer. Let's discuss other approaches and solutions that might have been used. Thank you everyone for participating in this problem. Stay tuned for more engaging math challenges. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are excited for more math challenges ahead. Until our next encounter, take care and bye-bye.